Ever wondered how far a place is without having to guess or rely on rough estimates? Whether you're planning a road trip, measuring your daily run, or just curious about distances, Google Maps has a built-in feature that makes it effortless. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly and accurately measure distances using Google Maps. Let's dive in. First, open the Google Maps app on your smartphone. If you don't have it yet, grab it from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Once you've got it open, find the location where you want to start measuring. Tap and hold on that spot until a red pin appears. When it does, swipe up on the info window at the bottom of your screen. You'll see an option called Measure Distance. Tap on that. Now, simply tap anywhere on the map to set another point. Google Maps will instantly show you the exact distance between the two locations. Need to measure a longer route? Keep tapping to add multiple points, and Maps will calculate the total distance for you. If you need to fine-tune the route, just drag the points around for a more precise measurement. And that's it. Quick, easy, and super useful for planning hikes, road trips, or even just checking how far your favorite spots are. If this tip helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more smart tech tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.